you're gonna find it. Here's the number for cylinder, alright? Here there is a number 0239091, alright? This number, it should match with this number 0239091, alright? The one that I have here, cover it again, put this back again in place, wrap it with nylon, put it there, standing by for now. Alright, on this cylinder head it's 026916762. Alright, and here it's 0209491. I wish to check the number earlier. And don't spend all day, but I didn't check it. Alright, first I prepare the cylinder head, and then screw it, finish, thank you. Yeah. If you find the same number, either same number cylinder head like this one, or same number cover like this one, we're back in business. I prefer to find the cover, because you're not gonna be for nothing. All the washing and the preparation. Okay, yeah, thank you.